Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, you will see how to make white sauce pasta. So first of all, let's take a look at the ingredients. You will need pasta, this is penne. I've used onion, carrots, capsicum and sweet corn, milk, butter, red chili flakes, black pepper. This is powdered and this is oregano and cheese. Here I forgot to mention all-purpose flour and salt, but they will be needed as well. So first of all, boil your pasta and add salt at this stage because that's the only way pasta will absorb salt here. So by the time it is being boiled, we're gonna prepare vegetables. So for that, I've just heated some butter and added onions to it. I'm just stir frying it or just saute kind of thing. Once it's cooked, I'm gonna add my carrots. I'm not overcooking the vegetables, I'm just ensuring that they are soft and not really raw. Now goes the capsicum and you have to just fry them and add sweet corn. So make sure they're not overcooked. So to check the pasta, you have to see as it is shown in the video. Just do it that way, and once it's done, just strain it and run cold water through it so that the cooking process stops and they just don't stick to each other. I don't usually use oil. I just don't use oil at all, but they don't stick when I run cold water through them. The pasta is ready, so let's prepare our sauce. For that, first of all, I'm adding butter on a low flame, you can say, low to medium, and I'm adding all-purpose flour to it. So just stir it well and mix it well. Mix it well. Once the raw smell of the all-purpose flour is gone, gradually add milk and make sure that you stir well at this point because we don't want any lumps in our sauce. So keep stirring that while you add milk. Now I'm gonna add cheese to it. I roughly added like 8 to 10 spoons of this cheese here. So if you want to use, you can use slices as well, cheese slices. It's like 2 to 3 slices per person. So mix it well. When it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add my vegetables to it. I'm gonna mix them well. Now I will add my oregano, the red chili flakes, just wipe it out nicely, black pepper, and if you want you can add salt at this stage so that it mixes well as per your taste. Just keep mixing it, keep mixing everything well. And when it comes to a nice gentle boil, I'm gonna add pasta to it. Gently drop your pasta in there and mix them well to make sure that the pasta is nicely covered in sauce. If you like your pasta to be extra creamy, you can add more milk. I just made it for 3 people and I use like half kg or liter, I don't know, that kind of milk, like 1 packet kind of milk. Well, that's up to you, you can measure it in whole, and if you feel like it's getting a little sticky or something, or you want more milk, so you can add milk at this stage as well. So now your delicious pasta is ready. Enjoy!